Hi friends, so I am back with a new video. So today I'll be making this 12 inches photo frame with the quotation. So as on demand, I will teach you how to place photograph in this, how to place flowers. So this we have to do in 2 days. So today I will do one layer and second layer we will do another day. Okay, so let's start. What I have used is I have used this white color. I've used this micro glitter and gold flakes. So I have taken resin, and in half resin I have mixed this gold flakes and micro glitter, and some I have made this white resin. So let's pour it, and we'll do half and half, more of white color and less of gold flake layer. So let's do how. So do mix it well. So we have to pour them both. So first we'll pour white because I want white more and less of this transparent color, because I have to write quotation on this. Is white, and now on this side I will pour this. See, so today we are done. Then tomorrow we'll get a picture and we'll paste a picture, and we'll place some flowers and write quotation here, and then we have to do one layer. You can see I want more of white color. Now we will use this gun for removing the bubbles. Okay, so we are done for today. Let's catch up tomorrow. Bye. Hi. So today we'll paste the pictures and some flowers, and then we'll do the layer after writing the quotation. So I'm using this picture to paste it on this area. So for that I'll use this glue. We can use any glue to paste the picture so that it may not move from its place when we pour the resin. And if it's pasted properly, then there will be no bubbles inside the picture. Then no bubbles will go inside the picture. Okay, so try to paste it properly. Okay, so now we'll start with the flowers. So I like these leaves. We'll put some leaves with very little glue. Hi. So I have written the quotation and I have put some pearls in it for the decoration. So this is totally optional. And after this, we will pour one clear coat, top coat, to give this finishing. So these pearls I have pasted with Fevicol so that when we pour resin, it may not move from its places. So let's do the final coat. I have made this clear resin and I am pouring it. I have written this quotation by hand. You can also put some stickers if you want for quotation. So finally I have done the clear coat, and we'll see that it's go evenly in all the edges. Because it has uneven edges, so be careful. And after this we will use shotgun for removing the bubbles. So we will remove the bubbles now.